here is your Moodle page. And in order to prepare for this exam, you want to answer all those questions that I talked to you about. And for the first 3 weeks, like I was saying, I put the questions on the Moodle page. So if you click here, this is the first week of the material that we covered, and that takes you to what kind of knower do you want to be and what kind of knowledge community do you want to belong to. Okay, and so here are the questions that I told you to answer this week. And you answer those questions by doing the required reading and also watching the lecture playlist on YouTube. So that's all you do. So you go and you find the questions and you answer them, and that is helping you prepare your study guide for the exam. So as I was saying, for the first 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3, I wrote those questions and put them on the actual Moodle page. But then after that, you'll see that they're no longer here. They're no longer written here. But that is because I started making my playlists such that each video segment begins with a question. So that question is the one that you need to answer by the end of that video playlist. Okay, and that's basically it. I said this was a long version, but it's only just a little bit longer. I just wanted to show you, in case you hadn't been coming to class, exactly where to find all this material. So what you'll do is, for the first 3 weeks, you'll find those questions. I would copy them over to a Word document, and then look at the videos, the lectures for those first 3 weeks, answer those questions, go back to the readings, see if you can answer them in more detail, and then do that for every week. And then you'll have that study guide. Now, a lot of your peers who came to the seminars and who did all the work during the autumn term, they already have those study guides. So if you know anybody who did that, you might want to see if you can collaborate with them and kind of form a study group. And maybe there's a way you can incentivize that for them. I don't know. I mean, I did that when I was an undergraduate. I was in study groups, and there were certain modules that my peers had done more preparatory work for. And so I would bring, food or something like that over and offer that so they would help me with that module, and I'd be better prepared for another module and I would help them. I hope that you have discovered these sorts of collaborative study relationships at university. They're extremely valuable. And if you haven't, then maybe you can reach out to people on the WhatsApp list or whatever to see if anyone has a study group that they wouldn't mind you joining. Don't be shy. You might as well give it a go. If you're in a position where you could use a lot of help studying, just give it a go. Tell them that you'll do your best to make it worth their while. Anyways, that's all I'm going to say. And thank you very much for your time. I'm looking forward to, again, April 27th from 3 to 5 p.m., a webinar during which Jakob and I will answer any philosophical questions that you have about the material that's going to be covered on the exam. And until then, I wish you happy studying, and see you soon.